All right, so here's the new indicator, guys, right? I added everything onto this, of course. But as you see, this told you to sell right here with a stop here. That was our target, right? This is the ABC swing inside move. Beautiful trade. But on the micro level, on the new indicator that I built out, this said to sell here. It did give you a buy here on this candle. You went into profit, putting your stop, right here at just at break even. This one here, you would have shorted here and put a stop here. Once this broke this structure, I haven't put the BOS on here for you to see it. You would have put your stop down here in profit. So you would have got this move down. So just an indication, right? This trade here would have cost, you would have shorted right anywhere in here, about $64 on one contract. To get to the white line, it's $173. So $64 risk, $67 risk to make $173, or you trade it to the fibs for $120, $119. So not bad. Risking $60 to make 120. That's double, right? And if you hold it and it gets down to here before we open, that would be great. But again, we just swept this low. We'll probably get a bounce out of here. Another indication that this candle was right was here. This buy side right here. I wouldn't have bought this because it was up here, not at the zero line, right? And I wouldn't have shorted this one because we were coming into the buy side. Actually, I would have probably shorted this one. I'm sorry. Market is going to be open here in a few minutes. That indicator will be available if we get everything fixed on the license side this week. So we got a shift on the 5 minute, 15 minutes holding the shift line. We're holding here, we push down. So we're putting pressure to the downside right now. If this candle closes above this market shift, I'd be questioning the longs. No matter what you do today, guys, let's have fun trading. Be safe. Don't over leverage. Don't put any big orders in. Don't match mine. Trade your own risk, right? You are your own trader. Develop your own mindset, your own skill set. If you take my trades, that's fine. But if I get out and you stay in and our results are different, that's on you, right? Or if you fade me and you go short where I go long and then you lose and I win, that's not on me. And if I lose and you took the same trade, it's usually an earned loss. So, or if I DCA and you don't DCA because you're not comfortable, you got to be okay with taking that loss. So make sure that your mindset stays clear, right? Absolutely. When you're trading, guys, just a little bit of insight, right? To reset your brain, right? There's a lot of things that come in trading when you trade. I'm going to make this quick. Your brain, your mindset, your body posture, your attitude, the stress that you carry, right? Your breathing, your posture, you're hunched over at your desk, whatever the case may be. What I want you to do is just reset your brain. How do we do it? How do you reset your brain? You sit up straight. You pull your shoulders back. You squeeze your shoulders together until you get that tingly feeling. Don't make yourself cramp, please. But where you get that tingly feeling, right? Together, you're going to inhale. When you do this together, inhale. Take a big deep breath and exhale. I just want you to try it, right? It gets the blood flowing. Know your limits when you're trading. Is it 4 trades? Is it 5 trades a day? Is it $500 loss? Is it a $300 loss? Is it a $1,000 loss? When you hit these numbers, please stop trading. Don't keep risking it, right? Walk away. 50 to 250 productive points is not reactive, right? So if you're losing that, you're not reactive. You want to be proactive, not reactive. Sorry. You don't want to go on full tilt. You want to understand your triggers and then change those triggers. Okay. When you make these and you continue to do it, all you're doing is creating permissions to make mistakes. Let's not make those mistakes. You're human, right? I'm human. Everybody's human. We will make mistakes, but we need to follow the strategy and stick to the rules, right? How you become a very profitable trader is you backtest, you collect data, you find patterns that work, you study those patterns, you fall in love with the process. So we need to make sure that we're all on the same page. What is your strategy? What is your setup? Right? I just went over what I'm doing, right? So you want to go over your strategy, go over the candles that you're trading, where to enter, where your stop loss goes. Are you trading the ORB, right? TD ORB? Are you trading this system that we have in front of us right now? We look for events to line up when we're trading. Guys, we do have red folder news coming out at 8 o'clock. ISM PMI is coming out at 8 o'clock. So the market is probably going to sell off into that news. Oh, well, here we go. We're already open. Got some buyers coming into this VWAP area here. They're defending this level. I'm going to trade with 2 contracts this morning. Well, I'm going to start out with 2. We got a gigantic wick being formed here on this 5-minute time frame. So this is what I was saying. Are you going to be a bull or are you going to be a bear? Right now we're pushing up and we still got a negative delta, 1100 negative. Oh, Miss Pam, where's Pocket? I didn't mark it up. Or Ann.
29670.
29670.
Yep, at the moment.
29670.
No, you're at 298. It's below that big wick.
Yeah, we're gonna come down then if this hasn't shifted.
No, it's 29760. Sorry, I misspoke earlier. Yeah, right there.
Okay. We'll see. So they almost got back to point of control.
Yeah, that bodes well for my setup that I'm waiting for.
You looking for a short?
Yeah.
It's possible. I mean, it's got a lot of liquidity on both sides here. So we're back to 1,000. We went to on that wick. We went down to 1,200. We're back to 1,000. So they bought 200 contracts back. 236, 220. Yeah, about 220 contracts right now in order flow on this particular bar here, on this 5-minute bar. It looks like they're buying them out, putting in order blocks here. 300. Once I get committed to it, I want to be committed to it. There's a nice little pump here, though. But my short target, did it hit the gray box? Yes. Did it hit the white line? Yes. Okay. So this is where I said we would find some buyers. We would find some liquidity or bounce. Now, I don't know if we continue up or if we hold C phase here to give me another squeeze on the sell side, right? Do we push lower? That's your macro. Macro event says it's short, but macro event can even take out the highs. It bounced right off the 15-minute market shift line too, and we're back above the 5. So far we're on a reversal.
Yeah, I should have took that long.
I'm just waiting here. You had a big stop here to take it.
No.
490. We're almost 2 times what the last candle was.
Being in at around
540.
29,850 would have been the move.
Yeah, we're going to sweep these highs. We're going to punch through. Or we're going to go into a C phase here for a short. If we're going to be long, we're going to punch through this first, and then we're going to pull back. 780. They've almost bought back the whole delta, guys. Buyers now are taking. I'm going to take this long here. I'm in.
Order submitted.
I can do it. I maybe got in too late on this trade. I'm looking to DCA this if it pulls back. This is probably going to be a good short if it plays out the other way. Right here in this double triple top. I was supposed to take the trade down here at the yellow line. I'm quite a ways away.
Oh no, I didn't want it to come down that fast.
Yeah, it came down a little bit faster than I wanted to. And now off a 777 candle, we picked up 121 sellers out of that. $154. Damn, no follow through on this breakout.
Oh, dang it.
Yep. Make up your mind, guys, if you want to stay in this trade or not.
No, I wanted the short. Dang it.
Yep, I'm going to take the short. We're pushing back into these buyers, but now we're getting into these sellers again. I'm out.
Order.
I'm on the sell side.
Order filled.
I don't like this, though, because this could just run right back up. We just got 500 sellers in. So I'm going to short this again.
Order submitted.
I'm in 5.
Order submitted. Order filled.
We still haven't closed below the yellow line. We gotta close below this, man. We gotta close below it. Yeah, see, these buyers are trying to buy it right back. I think that was a stop run, bro. Let's see, it's reclaiming it, so.
Yeah, I want it in at the top up here.
Order filled.
There. 5 more. Come on.
Target filled.
Come on. Break it and come down. We should sweep that wick at the open. We should sweep this wick right here. So first target 772.75. They're going to push into these buyers. 583. Let's see if they can do it. Yeah, I'm already back in the green right now. 610 on this run. Come on. Come on, baby. I'm going to take this 5 off. I'm in 5 here, guys. There's 170. I'm going to take half the orders off. I did. I'm in 2 now.
Order canceled.
We'll put in a bracket order here after we break this low. It's going to come down, guys. We're coming down to that wick. We need to get down there. If we bounce here, I'm going to be very surprised. If they do, it's a stop run on the sellers.
Order submitted.
Order
Order
No,
filled.
I didn't want to take it off. You rat bag. Let me put in 5 here.
Order
Back in on
order
there.
filled.
Damn it, Dan.
Order submitted.
Come on, get below this line. Whichever way we shift on this market line, this yellow line, if we start selling away from it, it's going to go down. If we close above it, I'm going to get it out. Just telling you. That market shift line is real. The idea that we're below, we got divergence here. We're below on the 5 minute, right? We're below on the 5 minute, but above on the 15. I don't like this. They're not on the same plane here. I need a 5 minute bar to close. Got 35 seconds. You got to be kidding me. We're not sweeping the bottom. Back to $400 in the hole again. Pushing up a 560 seller. They made this look really bearish. They may try to take out the high now, guys. And that's what they're doing. I'm out.
Order filled.
And I'm back in on the long here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Damn it, damn, I'm trying to get it out of there.
Order submitted.
God, I told you this is choppy, guys. We need to take out one side or the other. This is garbage, man. This is garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. We put in an equal high, equal low. This is why I said I like the shorts. So this, to me, I think this is a stop run on the longs. I do. I think they're going to break down to here. We'll see if I'm wrong, because we're on the market shift says it's long, so I'm staying with the long. But this fib level says we go lower. If I can hit the $630, I'm back at break even. This is ridiculous, man. And now we get another market shift for a seed phase. If we don't catch a bid here, we're toasted, man. We don't catch a bid here, we're toasted. Come on, baby. Shift it through. Stay above. Stay above. Catch this bid. We got buyers. We got buyers. 100 buyers. We need more than that, though. Yeah, this is really shitty. Really shitty, guys. There's $200. Come on, sweep this high. If we take these buy side out of here, out of the buy side liquidity, may not happen. May not happen here. You really gonna push it? Wow.
Order submitted.
I'm in again. Come on, baby, pump it up. $90-point sell-off. Here it comes. Oh, they're not holding it, guys. They are not holding it. For the life of us, they are not holding it. So far, it's been a choppy market here at the open. Exactly what I said. We haven't taken out a high or a low. We've made an equal high. Actually, this took out the low. We didn't really sweep this yet. But maybe it doesn't go long until after it sweeps this bottom. But they wouldn't have brought it back up this high if I don't think they continue. So we'll see if the sellers absorb the buyers here. So far, that's what's happening. There's the market shift, another C phase. I'm going to buy this C phase.
Order submitted.
I'm in a little heavy. 1.5 full contracts.
Order filled.
Here we go. Let's go now. Let's go. Pump it up. Here's the buyer. Can we do it? We got to get above this shelf. We got to get above this shelf, guys. This is dirty, man. Really dirty, guys. You dirty little girl. Let's go. Pump it. Just take it and let's go. Pump, 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 pump it up. I'm back in the green.
Order filled.
The yellow lines are sharp, boy, I tell you that. We close here, we go higher. Boom, we're going higher. We're going higher. Unless they slam us for some reason here. It's time. Don't forget, we got that news coming out at 8 o'clock, guys. It's 7:45. Got 15 minutes. Pump! Pump, pump it up! Coming up into this rejection on a 15-minute time frame. This is a big rejection zone on the 15-minute time frame. Are you a bull or bear? Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Woo! Come on.
Let's go. 600 bucks there. Guys, I'm at $450 positive right now. Only because I DCA'd. If I didn't DCA, I'd still probably be about $200 in the hole.
Pump it up.
Come on, let's go.
Pump it up.
I'm going to have an $800 day. Let's
Pump
go.
Pump it up, baby. Yeah,
all right, I'm gonna bring my
buddy.
profit. Guys,
yeah,
on this,
buddy.
if you're trading the chart button, if you want to take half of your profits, you can. I'm going to move this up a little bit higher. I got rid of it. I'm going to take off half.
Order
Boom.
filled.
Now I'm in 2. I'm going to take off
baby,
half.
open wide.
I'm at 156. Bracket
Order submitted.
Stops out. Stops in profit. Bracket orders up. I'm going to put my stop up here. I have made $640 this morning. God, what like a stop run there, man.
Keep pumping.
We're at this session prior day high right there. We're at prior day high. So we're getting rejected. Remember what I said, guys. We can hit it and get rejected. If we get rejected,
order filled.
On the sell side.
All
right,
I think I might
take me out.
Take my $400 and be done.
So we haven't got above that prior day high. That's a sweep and reject, if you ask me right now. Let's see. We're still above on the 5 and the 15. Market shift says no. It's not short, Mr. Kelly. Do not short yet. Do not short. Do not go short yet. Got a fake BOS, break of structure. But we're trading above this line, guys. This is probably a stop run on the buy side. Delta is only 580 contracts. I think they're waiting for this news. I think they're going to use this news to move the market. This is where I'm at, guys. I always show the P&Ls. So roughly 588. I got 2 accounts at 605. Actually, I got a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 accounts at 605. That was quick trading. Quick trading. I don't like trading that quick because a lot of people can't keep up with it. But if you got in and out, hopefully you were able to save yourself there. These candles are big. These candles are big. I'm still playing the range, right? So what is the range? And this is why I'm playing the range. This white line to here. I wanted to see it come down to here and take out POC. So far, POC hasn't shifted, I don't think. Let me look.
No,
Nope, POC.
it's moved up a bit. 29880.
Yeah, it's 880 now. It did shift up. So that's a good sign for the longs.
It's right at SMA.
Yep. So guys, this is, as long as that pink line holds, that's the balance. We got to take out this high and pump it up. We got this news coming out in 10 minutes, guys. Massive hammer on the hour time frame. I'm going to take 2 contracts on the line here for a
Order
break.
filled.
Let's see if we can break higher and go. Get up here to this fib box. We got to get back above this prior day high. We can. It's going to be a short. A lot of people selling here because it's the prior day high. Candle structure says we can break out. We can also pull back. Ten minutes for the news, guys. Boom.
Target filled.
Oh yeah, let's go, baby. Stops in profit. My stop's underneath the prior day high. We will get a retest of that prior day high. So if you want to take your profits, you can. I'm looking for them to continue pumping. 224 buyers. Let's go. We doubled our number. 293, 200. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's your money, baby. I told you guys this morning, if we got above this, we retest and we continue long. I marked up this box before we even started. And I marked up this short because we are in a 50-50 zone. I would only mark up one side if we were continuous on one side, but we're not. We're on both sides. They played both sides. Guys, I hit this target. I'm done in the live for today as well. And I'm going to hit it right here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just a little pushy push. Go test the white line. Buyers stepping in again. That's what those green circles mean. They're buying higher. 540 buyers. We just tripled the number.
Target filled.
I am out and I am done. I gave you another trade there, guys, on the breakout. Miss Ann, how are you looking now?
I'm very green.
Very green? Oh, man. I don't even want to ask Q. Q, did you take the last one?
Nope. I'm kind of looking at a potential setup on MYM.
Oh, you're looking at the short?
Actually, I want to see if this long plays out.
Pull back and get the long, yeah. If it will hold. Oh, man. I think we got a little pump up to that 12 space, maybe even 19. Right? We rejected off the 168 or 150. Make sure you lock in your profits, guys. With that move, I just added another 225 bucks to the live account here. So I'm gonna stop. We got news in about six minutes. Got ISM services PMI coming out. If you didn't size big, you didn't lose big on that first trade that I lost. You stayed with the 2 contracts and got back in on this side, you should be in profits. If you did DCA, then you should be pretty good green today. I know Miss Ann DCA. What's your numbers for today, Miss Ann?
821.
You beat me. I'm at 592 and 605. How is it every day you guys beat my numbers?
I had $80 on top of that before pit.
Well, $80 isn't $300 more.
Yeah, but you probably got about 20 accounts, Dan.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I got 13 accounts.
Wow.
I'm buying one more. I'm gonna buy $100,000 account like what Q has. He's got a straight to funded account. I'm gonna buy that one.
How much is one of them?
Q, is that a monthly fee or is it a one-time fee?
One-time
What?
fee.
How much
Right
is
now it's $396 with Traderdan.
$396. You don't even have to pass the valuation. You go right into the live and you get $4,000 in drawdown.
For what platform?
Lucid.
Traderdan.
Oh no, Tradeify. He's on Tradeify.
Lucid has theirs is more expensive, but they have their drawdown has a $3,500 drawdown for their 100K.
Hey, Q, can you put in the chat for people what you got, what account you got straight to funded in?
Yeah.
If you don't mind. Wow, ES is having a hard time breaking this high too. So now if I want to go out and look at this 5-minute time frame, guys, let me show you what we're up against. Because you guys know I always look at the bigger picture. Right? If you draw count a trend line here off of these highs. You draw it, if you draw it in space. The question is this trend line liquidity going to stay real? You guys see this? We're going to come after these guys up here? Or are we still going to stay in that? Remember I talked about this right here. Wanting to go long? Or it could pull up into the C phase for these shorts off this AB. So we could be seeing a sell-off in the market coming. Especially with this news coming. If these numbers come in bad, man. To wipe it out. But there's a trend line. I'm looking at trend line liquidity on a 5-minute time frame here. Doesn't mean it won't sell. I'm saying, you know, the idea that it sweeps these highs, I think this wants to sweep those highs first. So coming to 1920 is an easy number for it to pump up. Even if they use the news to do it. 3 minutes for news, guys. 3 minutes for news. Two minutes and 40 seconds, sorry. Let's see what the indicator would have told us while we're waiting on the news. What's the indicator say? What should we have done? You could have sold here. You got the sweep. You could have bought here, which we did do actually. Actually bought here. But look at this. Pulls back, retests, and goes long. So the sell would have been wrong, which we took the sell. I went into profits and it took me out. I went long, it went into profits $200 and came back down and then it went long. So I did go long, it pulled back and then it went in. So pretty good. I actually DCA'd and got that money, so it was good. Indicator right at 735 said long. It went into the long. It pulled back. I got some profits, and then I lost those profits. Went negative, I don't know, $300, $400 because I was trading bigger contracts. All right, let's see what this does, guys. Got news and 1 minute. 1 minute. There's two possibilities here, right? We sweep the high and sell off, or we come down and find buyers and we go long. Tradeify, 100K account, lightning funded is what it is, and it's 300 and what did you say? 340?
396 right now.
396. So basically $400. But you get $4,000 in drawdown to trade with. So if you size properly and stay between 1 and 4 contracts on that account, you should probably never blow that account.
Yeah, that's where I'm at. 1 to 4 contracts.
And how much are you up right now since last week?
At the moment, I got the account on Wednesday, so about 1,700 or
1,700 from trading.
Closer to 1,800.
Yeah, so $1,800 since Wednesday last week. We had a really good week last week trading.
Can you bring it up on the screen, Dan? The actual account.
Yeah, I'll bring it up. Give me 1 second. And then I'm waiting for this news. We're looking for 54.2. Guys, it's gonna get a big spike here. 54.0. There's the spike. Let's see what it does. Came in higher than expected. That's bad for the dollar, good for our market. Let's see if they actually say, yeah, let's do it. Did they spike it or not? It's 8 o'clock, guys. We're done by 8. Market shifts up. If we start to peel away from the yellow line to the upside, we have a long. If we start to peel away from the yellow line to the downside, we have a short. I would expect it sweeps the high even before it wants to go short. I would expect it to take out the high here. Order flow's got 200 buyers in this candle. I don't think I have any Tradeify accounts at all. I don't. Let's see what this does, guys. So, Miss Ann, are you done trading for the day?
Yes.
All right. With this yellow line here, Miss Ann, what would you be doing if you were trading it?
Watching order flow to see where the volume's going.
Yep. Looking to see if we're getting absorbed, right? We're at 190. Last bar had 219 sellers in it. Bar before that had 131 buyers. So far, we're right here. We're in an equal space. I want to see it retest here. But if we're below the market shift, what are we supposed to do?
So,
As long as the zero
yeah,
line.
but there's, yeah, as long as it's in the correct direction, it's not right now.
Correct.
It's close. It's turning.
Yep. We're only about 10 points, 15 points away from there, so. $80. I want to see it retest this pink line. That will put the market back in a balance. So far, there's only 300 negative contracts on the Delta. ES is selling off and RTY is selling off. There's the long.
Order filled.
Can we sweep it or do we get absorbed? 278 buyers in this candle. Long. Got to get back above this yellow line. Looking to take it. Negative on the Delta, 57 contracts. We're back to balance a little bit higher than the POC. We can hit both that targets at the $140 there. I want to stay away from this wick. I don't want it to come down and sweep this wick. More buyers, 360 buyers in this candle. Can we do it?
Target filled.
Boom, there's target one. Can we get that next $100? That'd be $140. 2 contracts. Trade it as you see fit, guys. Put stop and profit. Do what you want. I'm actually on a sim account. I didn't take a trade in the live. I'm in an ABC sim. But if I didn't take it, nobody would take it. So I would take this in the live. I'm close to my numbers that I'm over my numbers that I want for the day. So I'm learning to stay away from just one more, right, Ann? Just one more. And then all of a sudden you give it back.
Yep.
Yeah, this is kind of do or die, right? If I close it out now, I made 80 bucks. Trying to use that runner to get up here and break it. This could retest the break. I want to see them continue buying. So far, they're continuing to buy 560. They're buying this 86 level. Let's see if they can pump it up. There's buyers on both sides right there at that 990 level. 600. Can they do it? Can they sweep the high? So I'm at 100 and I don't know, $6 or something on this trade right now. I was to close it. I want this number right here. We should get to that next fib, that mark that I got marked up. We may see rejection right at 10 though. 10 or 11, we may see some rejection there. But I would expect to see the buyers like just pump it hard right into it. 700 here. Oh, it rejected off the counter trend line. The trend line liquidity is real, guys. You don't need to come down any lower than that. Pump it up. Come on, just come up here and find these sellers up here. A lot of sellers above this trend line. You want your money? That's the question. I already got stopped out.
All right, locking myself out for the day.
What are you up now?
Oh, only got partial profits because it pulled back, so just 438.
438. Sweet. Looking to get into that 10 level, 12 level. I want to sweep that wick to the left. If we can't sweep it, this is where the sellers are going to pick it up. Ideally, they get a little higher. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Oh, that'd be $140 total on that trade. First trade came off at $40. Can we get the $100 here? That'd be $1,000 on NQ. $400 and $1,000. Huh, Miss Ann? That'd be a $14 trade. Boom, we got them. There it is, guys. I'm done on the day. Oh, it's always great. All right, so let's take a look at this. Daniel. So he's on a lightning count, 100K account right here. This one right here. One-time payment of $396. $2,500 loss for the day, meaning you can't go past $2,500 in a day. They cut your account off. Max drawdown is $4,000. What is the target for this?
6K. So basically, it's just a double 50K account.
Yeah, pretty much, huh?
And then they keep decreasing the drawdown on the 150, so I don't even do that anymore.
Yeah, the 150 is a bad deal, man. Look at that. They lowered it down.
Well, that's the eval.
Yeah. Where does it show the 6,000?
It ain't 6,000 no more.
No, for the Lightning.
If you're looking at the 150, you're looking at your max drawdown. Oh, you're talking about the profit target. Yeah, so they don't show the profit target for some reason, but it is 6,000.
It's weird that they don't show it. So
Yeah,
you
so
got
you
to
have to
copy
go
the
into
code for, you just type in code July, capital letters, and you get a discount of $264. It's $396, and it's a one-time payment. You got to make 6K to pass using $4,000 to get past 6.
Yeah, but okay, so how is this an eval if it says it's a
No, it's not. So he was, for a second there, he was looking at the eval. That's all I was saying.
okay, so
Yeah, this is
straight
funded.
to funded.
okay,
You see it says funded right here?
yeah,
Yeah. So you get $2,000 here for $1,250 daily loss limit, and this is $295. Or you could pay $100 more and get double the money, but it's like buying 2 of these but having it in one account.
yeah,
So trading 1 to 4 contracts, you're more likely to stay on the safe side than, you know what I'm saying?
yeah,
So this is what he's doing. He went to the 100K, 4,000, 6K profit, and it makes sense. He messaged me and said, he asked me, what did I think? I think I said it probably would work if you could stay in that 1-4 contract. Even on a DCA side, if you don't go past $2,500, which we hardly ever do. But, I mean, it takes a lot to go past that.
No, I personally have a $600 daily loss limit.
Yeah. So he's using, if he hits $600, he's out. He's done trading for the day. And that's a good headspace to have, mindset to have, right? So, I'm probably going to do this. I think I'm going to add this to my arsenal. I don't have any more Tradeify accounts, so.
And the only thing to be aware of is the 20% consistency. But on this account, you can make up to $1,200 on one day without breaking consistency.
How does that
So
consistency work?
consistency requirement moves to 25% for payout.
Right.
And then 30%,
on the third. Yeah. So after your first payout, it's 25%, and then 30% on the third payout and beyond.
But how does the
You can't
consistency
go over
work, Dan?
30% of your highest day, right?
Correct. So you take the target, and then you multiply by 20%.
On the first one, yeah, at 0.20.
So that
The
means
target of what? 4,000?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
So go to the help center. So just you can see an overview of the different rules, payout rules, and all that. I think it's payouts and billing. Yeah, there you go. Lightning funded.
They get 90%. They take 10%.
Why does it keep saying 9,000?
That's on a 150K account.
Ah.
I think what they need to do is they need to break these down into each individual account so people can understand them.
Yeah, if you scroll down, they give you more. They give you a chart
Oh, right here. Okay. So this would be it right here, Daniel. 100,000. Gotta make 6,000. Payouts 2 plus profit goal.
So yeah, so after your first after you hit the first 6,000, you only have to hit 3,500 for each subsequent payout.
So you have 106,000 in your account.
And then the max withdrawal for the
withdrawal.
So the max withdrawal is 2,500 for the 100K.
For the first one is 2,500, right?
Yeah. I think on the third or fourth one, there should be on the next table down there. I think it's like 3,000, the max.
So max on the second payout is 3,000. On third payout, profit goal.
No, that was before on the legacy accounts. So there should be another table if you scroll. There you go. So that's the updated max payouts.
So you can only take out $2,500 over 6,000.
So after you hit your first TP, your first target at 6,000, remember you only have to make 3,500 after that. So which means you can take 2,500 of
so you
that.
make $9,500 to withdraw 2,500.
Yeah.
Hey Dan, how many accounts are you copying right now? Looks like about 15, right?
13.
13? Okay.
Yeah.
What's your max?
10, 11, 12, 13. I have 15 accounts, but 2 of those accounts are cash accounts. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Those are cash live accounts.
Right. What would you say would be the max that you would trade on Replicano? 15?
I'm copying all 13 right now.
All 13,
so
okay.
Did you notice I traded the other live account by itself?
No, my computer, the stupid power supply, I think is bad, and so it cut off right in the middle of the session.
Oh yeah. So I traded one live and then 13 accounts. And then I went and traded my other live after because these are different accounts. These 2 live accounts are cash accounts. They're NT accounts.
Right.
Real account numbers. So this is a personal account, and then these here. So I traded these together, and then I traded this one by itself on the second set. So if I add one more, I might divide these up into 2 sets. So I'll trade a live and move like 6 accounts over here plus one more, and then I'll have the other 6 here plus the 1. So I'll be equal across them. So I'll trade this batch as 1, and then I'll trade this batch as 1.
So will Replicano let you save batch 1 and batch 2?
Yeah, so what you do is you can set up on Replicano, I can set up M&Q here with the leader account as my trade here now account, and then that's attached to those sets of accounts, and then this M&Q over here with the lead account, and then that one will be attached to that one.
It's a new tab, right, at the bottom?
Yeah, it's a new tab, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
So my leader account for this account is not in this account at all. So when I trade these set accounts, it's good, and then I just switch over to this one and I add that one to my lead account, and then I take it and trade it. I don't like the fact that you got to make $9,000, $9,500, really.
Say what?
You got to make $9,000 to get a payout.
On the 150K.
No. To get a payout, you got to make $6,000 on the 100K plus
Correct.
additional 2,500 to get paid. Oh, that's 8,500.
No. So when you get to your 106, you can take 2,500.
Oh, that's not what this says.
I don't see what you're seeing.
So on a 100K account, your base payout is 2,500.
Right. And then after your first profit target, the remaining profit targets become 3,500. So once
So
you
where
hit
does this where does this $2,500 come from?
that's your max payout.
So you hit 106, and then the 2,500 comes off your 6,000.
Correct. So
And
after
your
that
drawdown is
payout,
that doesn't
right.
make sense because your
No.
drawdown is 104.
So if you take if you take the max, right? So then that'll put your buffer at about 103.5. So you'll have about $3,500 of buffer after your first payout. And then to get your second payout, all you have to do is make another $3,500. And out of that $3,500, you can take another $2,500 max payout if you wanted to.
Right, I see it. But all I'm
Yeah.
saying is, if you take out the max payout, you're taking away from your available drawdown.
Yeah, you are.
So if you go to 106 and you take out 2,500, that puts you at 103, 103.5,
Uh-huh.
which
So about
is you're taking
34.
out $500 of available drawdown of your 4K.
Yes. If you take the max payout. You don't have to take the max payout.
Yeah. But then there's those people that say, well, why wouldn't I want to take out the max?
Right.
I don't know. Maybe this would be a pretty sharp account to trade.
So if you're comfortable on the next go round having a $3,400 buffer to make $3,500, then you can take a max payout. But if you want to,
that's better than all the other accounts because you're 1-to-1.
right. So or you could just take $2,000 and leave yourself a little bit more of a buffer. So
right, and that's what I've been doing, but I got screwed over. I'm not doing that anymore. Actually, I am in these accounts. Hey, top one's been on par, guys. They've been paying out. So I showed Miss Ann all my payouts from before the other morning. They've been paying out on a regular basis. So I haven't had no problems with top one. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to apply and get I'm going to get an affiliate link for discounts. So looks like we're breaking higher, guys. This looks like it's a pretty good account if you can manage your risk. You probably
So if you're more comfortable with like base hits, that's how straight to funded accounts work because of the consistency. But if you're somebody that can make 2,000 a day or 3,000 a day or something like that, it's going to be a little bit more difficult.
Well, that's because they got a 20% cap.
Right.
So it takes $6,000 times it by 2.0. You can't go over that daily number.
Right. Which at $1,200, that's plenty.
Oh yeah, it's $1,200. So if you're
So if you
averaging
make less, So for anybody who's not familiar,
you're in the wheelhouse to make money every single day.
yeah. So like you don't even have to think about the consistency rule if you know you're going to make less than that every day.
Yeah. So this kind of fits our model then, doesn't it? This account fits our model.
Yeah, I mean, so the way the market's been trading, just need bigger size to survive. Yeah, when TraderFi first started on that 150K, they used to give you a $7,500 drawdown. and then they decreased it to 6,000, and so now they just decreased it to 5,250, but kept the same profit target.
Right.
Oh, I missed that, Dan. So what was that account? What have you got to get to? So I know the profit's $6,000, and then
Yeah, 6,000, and then you get to withdraw 2,500.
once you get to 6,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then increments of 3,500. So every time you make 3,500, you get to take out 2,500 until your fourth payout, and then you get 3,500.
Right. Okay.
Market shift just pushed it up on this double top. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. I'm at Target. It sounds like most of you guys are at Target. Oh, real quick, let me run through this. So, is Eric still here?
I'm here.
All right. Let me stop the recording real quick. Turn off the music. Let me go here.